Okay, students, I am again here with the next topic, that is communicable diseases. अभी बोलोगे मैम ने सारी वीडियोस एक ही दिन में बना दी. Yes, I have taken a lot of time for this thing because I don't want कि आप पीछे रह जाओ. और ये जो चैप्टर 2 हमने शुरू किया हुआ है चैप्टर क्लास 8 के लिए, I want to finish this because then we will start the next chapter also. Let me not waste your time. Let us pick up the next topic. So let us talk about communicable diseases. What are communicable diseases? The diseases which can be transferred from an infected person to a healthy person through air, water, food or physical contact. These are called communicable diseases. वो diseases जो एक infected person से दूसरे healthy person तक पहुंच जाती हैं, उनको लग जाती हैं, फैल जाती हैं, spread हो जाती हैं. कैसे? Through air, water, food और physical contact. उन diseases को क्या कहते हैं? Communicable diseases. So, what are the example of communicable diseases? Viral diseases such as common cold is easily transferred by sneezing. We all know about this thing. Why the sneezing? Why this viral disease? Why common cold is easily transferred by sneezing? Because fine droplets of moisture carrying thousands of viruses are spread in the air when we sneeze. जब हम छींकते हैं तो हमारे नाक में से, मुंह में से फाइन ड्रॉपलेट्स ऑफ मॉइस्चर जिसमें thousands of viruses होते हैं वो एयर में स्प्रेड कर जाते हैं. Then these viruses may enter a healthy person breathing in the vicinity. Infected person की surrounding में जो भी person अगर उन viruses को breathe in कर लेगा तो वो भी infection का शिकार हो सकता है. So let me explain you with this picture that when a person sneezes, what happens? See here, तो जो microbes हैं, those are spread like this. And if an infected person is sneezing here in this picture, then what will happen? In the vicinity of the infected person, if a healthy person is there, that healthy person will also breathe those microbes and it will also get infection. So this is the point why governments nowadays are emphasizing upon social distancing. Why we are locked down inside our houses, हम अपने घरों में locked down हैं, because if we will go outside, if we will go in the range of that infected person, we will definitely get the infection. That is why we are at our homes. इसीलिए हम online sessions में पढ़ रहे हैं, इसीलिए हम घरों में हैं, इसीलिए हम social distancing को follow कर रहे हैं. So you have to follow the social distancing. Stay home, stay healthy. So now let us talk about these disease causing microbes. Insects and animals such as flies, mosquitoes, dogs or cats act as carriers of disease. These microorganisms can also be spread with the help of insects and animals. Insects and animals such as flies, mosquitoes, dogs or cats act as carrier of diseases and transfer pathogen. Here I am using the term pathogen. I'll discuss this. These pathogen from an infected person to the healthy person. Pathogens are disease-causing microbes. See, all the microbes are not pathogens. Only the microbes which cause disease are called pathogens. So disease-causing microbes are called pathogens. So these pathogens are transferred by some carriers. कुछ carriers होते हैं disease के. कौन से? Mosquitoes, flies, dogs, cats, cattle, animals. These are carriers of diseases. As you know, nowadays COVID-19 ये time चल रहा है. COVID-19 का हम देख रहे हैं, इतना disaster all over the world. This coronavirus is actually carried by bats. Let us talk about Anopheles mosquito. These are the carrier of malaria. Malaria is caused by Protozoa Plasmodium vivax, and who carries this? Anopheles mosquito carries this, and that protozoa causes malaria. Here we are talking about Aedes mosquito. It is the carrier of dengue fever. So these are the carriers. This is all about carriers. How the spread of malaria and dengue can be controlled? It can be controlled by destroying the breeding places of these mosquitoes. हम वो जगह destroy कर दें जहाँ पे ये mosquitoes grow करते हैं, such as water tanks, coolers, tires. आपकी surrounding में जहाँ पे भी पानी collect हो जाता है, वहाँ पे ही breeding places बन जाते हैं mosquitoes के. Now let us talk about vaccine, because we are talking about communicable diseases. Let us talk about vaccine again. Let us talk about vaccine in detail. We have already discussed in previous videos that whenever a disease carrying microbe or any other foreign particle enters the body reacts by producing antibodies to fight with microbe. ये हमारी बॉडी के अंदर इतनी स्ट्रेंथ है बेटा कि हमारी बॉडी के अंदर जब भी कोई फॉरेन पार्टिकल मतलब बाहर से कोई पार्टिकल अंदर आता है या कोई भी डिजीज कैरिंग माइक्रोब अंदर आता है, then our body starts, it reacts and it starts producing antibodies to fight with the microbe. उसी वजह से हमें फीवर होता है. You know, fever is not a disease, it is a condition. Our body is fighting against some disease causing microbes. Once the antibodies have been produced, जैसे हमारी बॉडी रिएक्ट करती है, it starts producing antibodies. When the antibodies are produced, they stay there in blood में रहते हैं और वो हमेशा रेडी रहते हैं. अगर दोबारा फिर से वही माइक्रोब आपकी बॉडी में एंटर करता है, वही फॉरेन पार्टिकल एंटर करता है, then already the antibodies are inside the blood और वो फटाफट से फाइट करना शुरू कर देते हैं. This very phenomena is utilized to develop vaccines. हमने vaccines पढ़ा था. So here is the explanation vaccine कैसे काम करता है. Clear? I hope it is very much clear. So let us summarize this. Dead or weakened disease causing microbes are given orally, या तो मुंह के रास्ते दिए जाते हैं, और injected in order to develop antibodies in the body which protect us from future infection by the microbe. तो माइक्रोब, जिस माइक्रोब से हमें बचाना है उसी का ही हमें डेड और वीकेंड माइक्रोब हमारे अंदर इंजेक्ट किया जाता है, उसी बीमारी का, या तो ओरली खिलाया जाता है या इंजेक्ट किया जाता है. सो why this is injected? Because it protects us from future infection of microbe. These dead or weakened microbes constitute a vaccine, and this phenomena is known as vaccination. Clear? Now I hope you are very much clear about vaccine and vaccination. So several diseases such as smallpox have been completely eradicated by vaccinations. हमने smallpox के बारे में पहले भी पढ़ा था. Now smallpox is completely eradicated. Now nobody gets this infection, because in the childhood only we are given the vaccination for this thing. Several vaccines are given in childhood to prevent diseases such as कौन से आप सबको लगे हुए injections. You must talk to your parents कौन से injections बचपन में लगे थे, पैदा होते ही लगना शुरू हो गए थे. Measles, cholera, hepatitis, mumps, ये सारे के सारे आपको vaccines already लगे हुए हैं. That is why you are protected from these diseases. And nowadays, because we are facing this COVID-19 disaster, this pandemic is there, and our scientists are working hard to find out the vaccination. अगर vaccination मिल गया कोरोना वायरस का, COVID-19 का, तो then we will be protected from this coronavirus. We are just praying that हमारे scientists जल्दी से vaccination इसका निकाले ताकि हम real time classroom में एक दूसरे के साथ मिल पाएं. So children, you are known about the campaign such as Pulse Polio. आपको पता है Pulse Polio चलता है. It is a campaign to eradicate polio, and it is undertaken on a larger scale. बड़े scale पे करते हैं. हर घर में जाके आपको पता है हर बच्चे को polio drops दिया जाता है, orally दिया जाता है. This is a vaccine. This is polio vaccine. It is given to the children, और फिर बच्चों को कभी भी पोलियो नहीं होता है. Okay, so I am stopping my video here because the next topic is food preservation, and we will be discussing that in the next video. So I am stopping. So we will meet again. As I always say, we will meet again. Till then, have a nice day. Goodbye.